welcome. The day where we end the challenge is always bittersweet because it's fun and we feel accomplished, but at the same time it's like we're in such a good rhythm that I don't know, I feel like I don't want it to end. But we are at day 12 of our 12 Days of Youthmas challenge. If you've enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to the channel and like the videos. I know those are really little things, but it helps the channel so much. And if you get a chance, please drop a comment down below. I love reading all of your feedback and your ideas and those moments where the lesson clicked for you or something that didn't make sense. I use everything that you say to make the future videos better, so thank you so much. Okay, enough chatting, let's get started. For this song we will need 4 chords: E minor, G, A minor, and B. If this is the only chord you can't play, then that means this song is at a perfect level for you, because after practicing this, you will master B. So in order to play B, make sure your thumb is at the back of the neck, kind of curve over, and bar the 2 strings closest to the floor with your index finger, and then make a staircase with the other fingers. You could use the entire finger to bar. That's fine too. So find a position that's natural for your hand. Make sure nothing is bent. Make sure your wrist is not above the neck, okay? When we start the song, we're going between E minor, G, A minor, E minor. And that phrase carries throughout the entire song with a few exceptions. The trickiest part is that we start and end on E minor, so we'll have E minors together. So be careful of that. Let's try and play through the song. Follow my lead. If you can't do B right now, that's okay. What you can do is go to the position and strum without squeezing. Like, just try to go to the position, because that will help your hands build muscle memory. And then the more times you do it, the easier it will become. Get ready on E minor. Ready, go. G, A minor. E, G, A minor, E, stay there, G, A, E, B, 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 3 B's, E minor. When we start, we are kind of just gentle. And then as we build suspense, and then even more suspense. I know this is a challenging one, but this is the last song in the challenge. It had to be a challenge, of course. Let's try that again. If all you can land right now today are E minors and A minors, I'm happy with that. That is a great start. Get ready. Ready, go. Not too crazy, right? Or am I crazy? I think it's okay. Now, the real challenge with this song is that it's a lot faster. So if you need to go back to the play along we just did, go for it. But if you're ready for the real speed, or let's do a medium speed here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to 190 beats per minute. Here we go. Get ready, the switches are fast. Here we go. Ready, go. How'd you do? Whew! I feel like my hands are smoking. Okay, so just for fun, let's do another play along. Are you ready to go faster or that speed? Is that speed more comfortable? Let's try it at that speed one last time and then we'll go a little faster. Let's do that. And have fun with it. Even if you mess up, who cares? We're just having fun. 1, ready, go. Okay, now we're going to a faster speed. Wish us luck. And just to make this tutorial more fun, I'm gonna do the play along on a baritone ukulele. That way we have the melody, you on your standard ukulele, and me on the bari. Okay, so for this one, please follow the chord chart over here. Don't follow what my hands are doing because my hands are going to be doing something different than you. Today's challenge was more about finding ways to make a repetitive song exciting and new and different. And the ways that we did that was with a changing strumming pattern, with increasing the volume or decreasing the volume, with quick strums that we let go of. So although the song repeats quite a bit, it's almost the same melody throughout the whole thing, we are changing it and making our own. And I think this is the first time where we really kind of pushed speed and like quick chord speed as a challenge throughout an entire song. So if you made it here, if you tried, that is all you need for today. And then try again tomorrow, and then try again the next day, and you'll notice by this time next week, you'll look back and think, oh my gosh, it's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be. Trust me on this. I know that a week of practice doesn't seem like it's enough to make it all click, but for some reason, when you spend time with your instrument every single day, it happens. And if you're still here, thank you so much. I would like to leave you with one last tip. Making contact with your instrument every day is more effective than making one big practice chunk once a week. So I would much prefer that you practice 10 minutes every day than if you practice an hour and a half one day a week. For me, it's more effective when you're spending time every day. It's building muscle memory. It's doing different things cognitively that will help you be better at all of this strumming and chords and memory and all of that. And aside from that, like, just playing your instrument brings you joy. Who doesn't want to have a little piece of joy every single day, right? Thank you so much for being a part of this challenge, and I would like to invite you to be a part of future challenges by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.